Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can enable this remote lock. See here, screen was locked remotely. This is a very good option on the Android mobiles now. If you don't know this option, by the end of this video, you will get to know a very important feature, security feature. Say, assume your phone is stolen or lost. You can lock this phone remotely from another device like your secondary mobile or using your laptop easily. For that, you need to enable one setting. Click on your Android phone settings. Then on your phone, reach out to this Google. When you scroll down, you will find this Google. Click on this Google, then click on all services, then scroll down until you find this option personal and device safety. Under that, theft protection. Yes, this is a very good option, and under that you will find this remote lock. Maybe I can show you closely. Remote lock, tap on this. See, right now it is enabled for me. For you it will be in the disabled state. Okay, you need to enable this. Okay, I enable this. Now I'll let you know how you can lock this remotely. Now the option is enabled, right? The second step is, on any device you need to enter android.com/lock. Say for example you have your relative's mobile or secondary mobile. For this you don't need email account or something like that. Just with your phone number you can do that. Okay, what you can do is, you can just reach out to android.com/lock. So for better convenience, I'm going to show you here. You need to enter your phone number and click on lock device. Let us do this. Let us do this on the laptop now. Yeah, to test this, I am making my phone screen active, so that let us test practically whether it is getting locked remotely. So I'm keeping my phone on this area only. Just observe whether it is getting locked. And on the browser, I am browsing through androids.com/lock. So it is asking my phone number, then click on this lock device. So I'm entering my phone number. Now I have entered my phone number. I'll be clicking on lock device. Observe here. See, immediately the phone is locked. I'm just unlocking this. So immediately there is a notification like screen was locked remotely. I can show you, screen was locked remotely. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful or informative, this will be very useful. If you have this knowledge, please do share it to your friends and family, so that it will be useful for everyone. Because by default this option is not enabled, we need to enable it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.